Today we're going to do a deep dive into a strategy that can help you score killer deals, making lowball or as-is offers. Get ready to channel your inner negotiator and unleash your real estate superpowers. But before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let me remind you that making lowball offers isn't for the faint of heart. It's an art, my friend, a bold and calculated move that can save you big bucks. I'm here to help. If you need some more one-on-one time, book some time with me below. Hi, my name is Joe Homs, and I've flipped hundreds of homes here in Southern California. I have over 40 years of experience. I've been a broker, mentor, and investor, and I want you to like, subscribe, and share this content with your friends. First, let's start off by shifting our mindset. Some people call it lowball offers. We like to call it as-is offers or inappropriate offer. The numbers are what the numbers are. Here are the key steps to make a lowball offer. Number one is research. Make sure that you know your target area. Make sure that you know everything about that area. Check out other listings in the area. Check out solds. Check out if there's any wholesale properties being sold in that area. Make sure you do your research. Very important. Number two, determine your maximum allowable offer. Comparables. Again, going down to actually see the property in person if you can. Getting in to see other properties in the area so you can compare what you're looking to buy with what's on the market right now. Do you like these type of videos? Do me a favor and hit that like button. Number three, present your offer with confidence. Send the offer over there, and if you have to write an explanation as to why the offer is so low, the condition of the home, the location of the home, things you found when you got there, the neighborhood issues or problems, write that up in an email as you send out the offer to another agent, wholesaler, whoever it is that you're negotiating with. Number four, be prepared for counteroffers. Hopefully you get counteroffers. Hopefully it's not too low, but be prepared for a counteroffer. It is all about negotiating, and more negotiating to get the deal that you really want. Number five, always know your bottom line. Know what the maximum allowable offer is on that property. Know how much it's going to cost to rehab if you're fixing and flipping. Know how much it's going to cost just to do minor repairs, to put it back onto the market. You need to know everything about that property. And don't ever be afraid to walk away. There's always more opportunities out there. The art of making as-is low offers is now within your reach. Remember, it takes practice, perseverance, and a touch of negotiation experience. If you have any questions or need further guidance, drop them in the comments right here below. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. If you want to learn more about negotiating, click on this video right here. Until next time, keep making those low ball offers. And as always, I'm always here to help.